Today wasn't a productive day at all. पता ही नहीं चला कैसे पूरा दिन निकल गया. But I didn't wanted to sleep with that regret again. So I cleaned my table, sat down and decided कि जो भी हो आज थोड़ा सा तो पढ़ना ही है. With only a few days left for re-NEET, tonight's goal was to complete Biology Unit 1. No 10-hour study session, no perfect routine, but showing up for myself. So yeah, watch me complete my goal. And by 3 a.m. Unit 1 was finally completed. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel. I'm gonna reveal my face on 1K subscribers.
ऐसा मत करो मेरी जान, लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा करो यार.
Wow!